To create a design for the Cricut Explore Air, open the Cricut Design Space software on the desktop. This software is free, but requires an account. Sign into your account. Under My Projects, you can access all of your saved projects. Click New Project. The Template tab creates a template for reference. It will not affect your project. Click Images to add images from the Cricut library. Under Ownership, click on Free, as Cricut charges for certain images and fonts. Type a keyword for a preferred image in the search bar. Click on the image or images. Click again to deselect. Then click Insert Images. The chosen image will appear in the space. You can move the image, rotate the image, and scale the image. Click the lock to change the width and length. You can also edit in the edit bar at the top, where you can change the color, flip the image, and change the size accurately rather than dragging. Add text by clicking the text button. Type in the word or phrase you want. As with the image, you can move, scale, and rotate the text. Change the color, font, size, and more in the edit bar. Align items by selecting everything you want aligned, and then click Align in the edit bar. Click the Shape button to add a shape. Edit it the same way as an image. On the right side are the different layers. You can access each layer and change the order. The Slice tool in the bottom right corner will cut items out of each other. This can be useful for making vinyl stickers. Select 2 items you want to slice. Click Slice. Once everything has been sliced, the circle shape now has the image and text cut out of it. Delete any parts of the slice you do not want. You can layer shapes on top of each other for tags or cards. Change the color to match the material you will use. The Cricut can draw or write with a pen as well as cut. Choose something for the Cricut to draw or add text. Change the operation from a basic cut to pen. The Cricut will now draw this image instead of cut. To make sure the Cricut draws and then cuts out the shape, make sure to attach the background to the drawing. Select the items you want together, such as the white circle and the flower. Click Attach. If you click Make, it should show the drawing and the cut line around it. If not attached, the Cricut will draw the image on a separate piece of paper. You can always go back and edit if the print preview does not show what you want. Add your own image or logo by clicking Upload. Click Upload Image, then click Browse to find your image. Choose the image type, then click Continue. Remove any unwanted data from your image. You can select and erase, erase, and crop the image. Then click Continue. Unless you will print your design first on an inkjet printer, choose Cut Image. Click Upload. Choose your image from recent uploads and click Insert Images. You can now edit your uploaded image as with all other items. When finished with your design, click Make It in the top right corner. Check what you need to prepare for the cut with this window. It shows you each color of material and how it fits on the page. To change the quantity, type in the new number and click Apply. The preview will change accordingly. You can also change the material size and flip the image by clicking Mirror. For cutting out your design, watch the Cricut Cutting Your Design tutorial video.